Hi everyone, my name is Mahtab Nowrouzi and today I would like to take you through my presentation about how overfishing coral trout is impacting the Great Barrier Reef. Coral trout are native to tropical waters of Indo-West Pacific. In Australia, they can be found in northwestern WA around the north and south of the southern Great Barrier Reef. There are 6 different trout in Australia, however, the common trout is the most widespread species within the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is facing a significant threat from overfishing, specifically of the common coral trout. The decline in the coral trout population within the reef ecosystem is attributed to fishing practices, growing market demand, and inadequate regulations. A report that was published by the Department of Agriculture and Fisheries in 2022 reveals coral trout spawning biomass declined from over 95% in 1950s to 60% in 1997. In 2004, the export market surge further decreased to 40%, which was the lowest biomass ratio. The environmental impacts of overfishing coral trout include the depletion of fish populations, reduced biodiversity, and the outbreak of crown-of-thorns starfish. As per the research conducted by Dr. Kroon in 2021, the decline in the population of larger predators such as coral trout that feed on crown-of-thorns starfish or indirectly impact their predation can lead to an increase in the starfish population. This in turn can cause a reduction in coral cover. Coral trout are considered as apex predators within the Great Barrier Reef. Apex predators feed on forage fish, which feed on algae. This predation helps prevent reef halos around the Great Barrier Reef. The implications of overfishing extend to economic aspects as coral trout are the main target for coral fin fishery due to their commercial value and demand for export to Asia, and coastal communities rely on coral reef fisheries for income. The degradation of coral reefs may result in a decline in tourism, which is the major source of income for Australia. In 2004, the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park implemented a zoning program to protect endangered species, including coral trout population decline. There are 2 types of zones in the zoning scheme. Green zone or no-take zone, where fishing activities including the catching of coral trout are strictly prohibited, and the blue zone, which refers to the remainder of Queensland East Coast. This program resulted in 50% increase in coral trout abundance in the no-take zone and a decrease in permitted catch to less than 1,110 tons per year. The research conducted by James Cook University after implementing the zoning program shows that the coral trout number are 1.7 times higher and bigger in size at White Sunday Island. In 2012, Paso Pacifico partnered with Pretoma and FFI to implement a program in Nicaragua to address the problem of overfishing in their waters. This program aimed to promote sustainable fishing practices and encourage the involvement of local communities in monitoring and managing fishing activities. The program involved providing training to fishermen on sustainable fishing techniques and the use of alternative livelihood to reduce the pressure on marine resources. Additionally, the program emphasized establishing marine protected areas and enforcing regulations to prevent illegal fishing practices. In Australia, it's crucial to educate anglers and enforce policies effectively, particularly those related to trawling, to help regulate the impact on a specific species. Raising awareness and promoting selective fishing techniques can significantly aid in mitigating the harmful effects of overfishing and preserving aquatic life. By adopting responsible fishing practices, we can ensure that the delicate balance of our marine ecosystem is maintained and future generations can also enjoy the bounties of the sea.